Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alwa Farbani. In this moment, I want to tell you about civic engagement, civic knowledge, and civic skill. The first one about civic engagement. Civic engagement is one of the most important instruments in democracy, according Hauser. The destiny of countries lacking political participation is in the hands of a reduced number of people oligarchy who hold the power and deny it to anybody else. In the long term, democracy can survive without civic engagement. To deeply understand the concept of civic engagement, consider the case in which you decide to commission a constructor to build a house. Imagine that you want brown window frames and that the constructor is painting the window frames blue. Without any objection from your side, you will get blue window frames, although you want brown ones. The only way to get brown window frames is to remind the constructor your instruction and advise him to do as you said. Without your intervention, the constructor, like any government, will do whatever he or she decide to do despite your wish. Therefore, civic engagement can be considered as a control mechanism within democracy. It is indispensable and assure that a country stay democratic in the long term. The next one, the crucial difference between civic knowledge and civic skill is linked to the correlation with cognitive abilities and intelligence. While civic knowledge does not depend on cognitive abilities and merely refers to knowledge about politics and political institutions, civic skills are positively correlated with both cognitive abilities and intelligence. It has been hypothesized that cognitive abilities may fill the role generally attributed to civic knowledge with reference to civic engagement. However, the literature does not provide evidence of the supremacy of skill over knowledge. In fact, there is a lack of studies on the differential effects of these variables on civic engagement and even primary analysis of the International Association for the Evaluation of Educational Achievement that have failed to evaluate the effects of this variable on civic engagement. The civic engagement model, in which no distinction was made between civic knowledge and civic skill. As so, in our application of this model, another weakness is that no covariance between the predictor variable is assumed. Further, no attempt was made to explain the student's report whether he or she has learned in school about the importance of voting. And so, in this about after here the civic skill, civic knowledge, and civic engagement, we have the conclusion. The conclusion as a citizenship, we must have the three there, because civic skills, civic knowledge, and civic engagement are very important for the citizenship. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.